So today we're going to turn this old office desk into a workbench. It's got metal drawers and solid construction, and we're going to turn it into something that's a little bit more usable in the shop and use it for a workbench. Follow along with me and see how I do this. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to use this Lincoln Electric MIG 140 pack. I've got it set fairly low here. We're just doing sheet metal. What we're going to do is I'm just going to tack weld and work my way around and do a lot of different tack welding. I've welded the two cabinets together. Next I'm going to weld these casters, just a couple of spot welds on each corner, and place these on the bottom of it. And grind all the welds smooth, and then I'm going to paint it. Got the Bondo on, I've got the spot putty on, and yeah, it's really smooth now. So next thing we're going to do here is I'm going to paint the whole thing, and yeah, start putting it back together. It's looking pretty good. Nice and easy. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, please follow, subscribe, comment, like, do all that stuff. You can see me on different social medias. And yeah, I'll keep building, you keep watching. Thanks. Bye.